Did you know that over 8% of food travelers miss out on the most authentic dishes because they stick to big cities? What if I told you that the most unforgettable culinary adventures are waiting in cities you've never even considered? Let's uncover these hidden gems together. Welcome to a journey where flavor meets adventure. Today, we're diving into the underrated culinary hotspots that most travelers overlook. From hidden street stalls to family-owned restaurants steeped in tradition, these lesser-known cities have it all. When we think of world-class food, cities like Paris, Tokyo, or New York come to mind. But what about the untapped treasures in cities off the beaten path? Many food lovers miss out because they believe that great cuisine is limited to major destinations. Today, we're here to challenge that notion and show you why thinking small can lead to big flavors. Let's start in Ljubljana, Slovenia, where traditional recipes meet modern creativity. Try the mouth-watering Kranjska klobasa, a local sausage that's a perfect comfort food. Next, we're off to Oaxaca, Mexico, a city bursting with the bold flavors of mole sauces and handmade tortillas. And finally, let's head to Nara, Japan, where you'll find kakinoha sushi, delicately wrapped in persimmon leaves, offering a blend of tradition and innovation. These cities are proof that the best culinary experiences often come in the most unexpected places. In Oaxaca, I stumbled upon a mole festival celebrating over 7 varieties of this rich, complex sauce. The moment I tasted the smoky, chocolate-infused mole negro, I realized I'd found something truly extraordinary. It wasn't just a meal, it was a cultural revelation. We've uncovered Ljubljana's hearty flavors, Oaxaca's bold traditions, and Nara's delicate artistry. These cities show that culinary magic thrives in places you least expect. So why limit yourself to the obvious when a world of flavors awaits? Now it's your turn. Tell me your favorite underrated food destinations in the comments. And if you're hungry for more culinary adventures, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the other videos on this channel. Let's keep discovering the world, one bite at a time.